Before we start our cooking, we need
the bowl. We need the blueberries. We need the eggs.
Be
We
careful.
need the oil, the coconut oil.
we need our
Bowl.
pan.
Yeah, we
Okay.
need this. We need our mixer. This is our. We need our little bowl pan.
This is the measuring cup.
Measuring cup.
Yes.
The next is we need the cupcake.
All right. So let us open this cup. Let us open the box.
Oh, it is already open.
Yeah. Our flour.
Yeah, flour.
And
Yes,
this is
minute.
our flavor.
Yeah,
We're
flavor.
going-
Let's start to mix all our ingredients to make it, to put it in our thing pan.
Yeah.
It has a lot of spots.
Yes. So let's dive in.
Yeah, let's dig in.
Okay. What?
Let's use the spray.
We spray the pan.
Not all of it.
Now is you're going to turn. Okay, push the bake. The bake.
Is it?
Hold
A
on,
lot?
hold
What?
on. All of it.
I'll the small cup.
One. It says 3/4 of water. Okay. 2, 3.
3/4.
Next is
We. I did get 3 cups. Got only 1 egg now left.
okay.
Now we're going to mix the eggs. This is the fork.
Mhm. Okay. I'm going to help him. Riba. Okay.
The last remix is blueberries.
Only this.
Right. Now we're done mixing. Next, we're going to put it into the pan.
All right.
But I want to do it. But now we need to take out the spoon.
Okay. Only 1/4.
1/4. Okay, that. This is. Mama, God creates everything.
Yes. So what are you gonna say to God?
Thank you, God. I love this food. I love making this food.
He is very excited to put the muffin into the oven. Ah, my baby is so cute. All right. Okay. So we're done putting our muffin into these cups here. Look at that. Look at that. So we are going to bake these for 15 to 20 minutes.
We already did our muffins because we're going to put it inside there. Just move it over there. So I I'm going to put it in there. Put it in.
Okay.
Now can I do it?
Yeah.
Can I hold it?
Be careful. Don't fall.
I won't.
But it's really hot. Here, Jeff.
Let's wait for 15 minutes to 20 minutes to cook. Okay, bye. This is my muffin that I made with my hand.
Oh,
They
it's
already
hot.
bit one right there.
I know. It is really delicious.
Hey, don't buy a lot.
Okay.
A muffin to my daddy. You want two?
That's good. Yay.